Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with instructions on how to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Dark Browse. The website that is associated with this particular extension is called darkbrowse.co. As you can clearly see, this website, darkbrowse.co, displays that information saying that your file is ready to download. I assume that these pop-ups by darkbrowse.co come up on some file sharing websites or the websites that offer some freeware downloads, which is often not really legal. And the point is that this darkbrowse.co website may use a lot of tricky information to encourage you into downloading this extension. Some people think that they are indeed downloading some requested file, but in reality they download a special extension called Dark Browse that functions as a browser hijacker. The extension is described by its authors as some helpful utility that allows people to enable the dark theme for the browser. But in reality, as you see, this extension is spread through these tricky methods. Often people don't realize that they are installing this particular extension. So it is a fair reason to consider this extension as a potentially unwanted software. The majority of such third-party extensions may also collect some browsing-related data. Some of them are even able to change some crucial browser settings. I'm not saying that Dark Browse extension does all these bad things, but considering the fact that it was installed without your intention, I would recommend removing it from the Google Chrome. This is how you can do it. Access the menu of Chrome, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find this Dark Browse extension as active and enabled, disable and remove the extension completely. So this should be sufficient enough. And finally, I recommend you to research the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats from your computer effectively. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and begin investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.